I'll be there. For the final Michael Jackson song themed video for this week, I've chosen a Jackson 5 classic, I'll Be There. And this jumped out of the page at me when looking for song titles to use. Because often one thing I find that is a difference maker for people going from maybe stop start on their results and a bit all or nothing and not quite getting where they want to get to making average, not necessarily continuous, but average progress and then maintenance over time, is that change in the way that we see the sessions, what we do down at Rise. And that realization that even with everything else that's going on in our lives, we probably can get in for one session a week as a minimum. And just making that mental decision that I'll be there, booking in a session or 2 or 3 at the start of the week, being aware of and comfortable and okay with the fact that that might change, that circumstance might get in the way and we might need to rearrange them, that we might not end up doing our theoretically optimal number of sessions, but that putting some in the diary and actually scheduling them, planning them, and treating that appointment with a similar level of respect and protection as we might do a similar appointment in our diary, we stand a way better chance of doing them. And we know that by doing them, we stand a way better chance of making better food decisions and everything else. We accept that we'll just be there. It might only be once, but that's still better than nothing. And that by coming in once in the week, we make it way more likely that we'll do 3 sessions next week. I can see the attendance patterns of all members since we first opened, and if someone does 1 session in a week, way more likely they might do 2 or 3 next week than if they've done 0 that week. That 1 session isn't just the value of a single workout, which in itself is worthwhile, it's that change in the way we're approaching it, to being one of I'll try and get in, to just I'll be there.